So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view places with pools here on Expedia. So the first thing you have to do is open up Expedia. Once that is done, either go to the bottom left and press on home or press on search right below that, then go to the top left and press on stays. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and press on New York City right here and then press on search. So once you have your initial search already created, go to the filters tab here. So right beside popular, press on sort and filters, then scroll down until it says amenities right here, and where it says pool, make sure that pool is selected, then scroll down and press on done. Now what you're going to be seeing here is actually listings or places with pools here on Expedia. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to view places with swimming pools here on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.